Hey guys, it's Brian back again here with Hostirian. Today's topic is how you can boost your SEO rankings using social media. Okay, so a lot of times SEO gets forgotten in the conversation of social media just because of the fact that there's so much other stuff that goes involved in posting on social media. But it's definitely something you want to take in consideration. The reason why is because search engines like Google, they also look at your social media presence, and that is one of the factors they use if they're going to rank you on their website. Okay, so let me tell you the things that it does help you out with. The first thing that it helps you out with is that it will give you an opportunity to have another online directory. Having an online directory is just like having a witness, right? So if you're on trial, okay, and you go to the judge and say, "Judge, I'm me. I'm not that other person." And there's, okay, what evidence do you have? Well, I have 80 people, and they're all saying the exact same thing. That's a lot more powerful than you having 4 people, and then they're all saying something different. Okay? So it gives you another online directory. Now, it can hurt you if your online directories are not accurate. So you have to make sure that it's accurate. They have to match the rest of your witnesses, or you just look like you're not credible, which is not going to help your ranking at all. It's actually going to do the opposite. It's going to lower your rankings. The next thing it will do for you if you're posting on your social media is it will keep you active. Google loves to see activity. It loves to see recent activity because it shows that the business is alive, right? So obviously Google doesn't want to rank, or search engines like Google don't want to rank anyone that doesn't have a real business. They're not going to put you on the website and your website's not, or your business is not active. You're not a real business at the moment, right? So that's the next thing that's really important. The next thing here for you is to make sure that you get engagement with your followers. So if they're responding back, right? So if they're liking, they're commenting, they're sharing, this also helps your SEO ranking because it shows that you are engaging and you are responsive. So not only are you an active business, you're taking the time to respond to the things happening with your business online. So these are all things that Google loves, right? And search engines like Google. So this would definitely help you out, making sure that you have an accurate online directory, you're consistently posting, okay, and then you're having those interactions. All right, so here's the next question. How do you get those interactions? How do you make people like, share, and comment? You have to create value. That's the biggest thing. Now, creating value can be challenging for a lot of people in a lot of industries. Here's my trick. To create value, all you have to do is be helpful. You know the things that are going on in your business. You know how these products work. You know why your product is better than some of the other ones, the pitfalls that people come across. Talk about that. Put that on your social media, okay? And what happens is that it increases the probability that you create that buzz because people are in the looking time frame. They want information, and then you can be that person. You can provide that, okay? And then sometimes if you want to put a little spark onto it, I got another tip for you, all right? Make it fun by having a contest. Have a contest or have a prize or something someone can win. To say, well, if you like this, if you do this next thing, you can be entered into a contest, or you are in the contest already, or there's a prize for the people that do the most XYZ, right? Have some fun with it. But at the end of the day, creating that value is going to be the very first step. I'm sorry, I take it back. That's like the third step. The first step is to have the profile, and then you got to use the profile, and then you got to create the value, okay? You'd be surprised how far a little contest can help you with that as well, okay? So with that being said, guys and gals, and however you identify, I have a tip here for you. I have a tool here for you, okay? I have a 30-day trial. It's a social marketing tool. So jump on my calendar. I will set your business up with the tool, and then I will teach you how to use it. And I'll help you find ways you can create value, be consistent, have your online directory accurate, and boost your SEO rankings using social media. Talk to you guys soon.